When you're traveling down the highway, feel safe and secure with our Tornado 16-ply steer tires on the front of your truck. Our GL-S1 steer tire is our most advanced tire compound for fuel efficiency and tread durability. The enhanced seeping provides superior traction throughout the tread life, and helps reduce irregular tire wear and maximize usable tread life. Upgraded tread groove designs help maintain integrity as the tread wears, providing water evacuations throughout the tire life. When we install your Tornado tires, we will check to make sure your front chassis components are in good working order. To get the most out of your tires, we recommend you balance your tires when installed and have your truck aligned as needed. Please remember to like, comment, and share if you liked this video.